The Science of Life course is simple yet complex, and Sugat, who comes from Northwestern University, has its own limitations, but when he confirmed, I was more than happy. This course is more for futuristic thinking, the skills that are required for next generation, connections of biology with science, that is computational modeling of genetics and evolution, to understand things that will have impact on our life. This course is more for professionals from healthcare or scientists. What was interesting for this course is, this course made students think like a scientist, take issues, and using technology, NetLogo, which was maybe first time they handled, but help them understand its connection, simplify it. And when they submitted their project, it was interesting to note what kids could do along with the professional from Northwestern University. Looking forward for this year's course with Sugat, which is Science of Life.